Welcome back. Yo, what is good, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy Amherst Got Kicks, and I made a comeback. Now, I am so excited. Yes, it is another unboxing video. These shoes are sick. I actually got these well under retail. Shout out Closet Inc. You guys came through. Shipping was faster than I expected. They only have one method of shipping that's expedited, so like express shipping. This is a pair of, you may be wondering what shoes these are that I'm going to be unboxing. And if you've been subscribers and viewers since day one, you know my favorite sneaker of all time has been the Nike Air Force One. Now, Air Force Ones or AF Ones or whatever you want to call them, I'm a sucker for them. Doesn't matter what colorway it is, low cut, mid cut, high cut, I love them all. Now, I got these at actually pretty good price. The Closet Inc. came through. Now, the way I found these was I was just going through their website every single day, just checking, I'm always like, shout out Kicks Deals Canada on Twitter. They're always posting promo codes to use on like footlocker.ca. If you're living in Canada, you don't want to overpay retail or pay retail and get ripped off. They're always posting promo codes or when sales happen on Foot Locker, Champs, Exclusivity, Closet Inc., Courtside Sneakers, Livestock Canada, stuff like that. Now, the packaging, I haven't unboxed these yet, actually. The packaging was done very nicely, but I somehow managed to kind of fuck it up. So, sorry, but it sent me this paper. But I'm not going to show you. It has my shipping information on there. But I don't have anything to unbox these with, so let's just peel the tape off. Alright. Nothing special, it's just a typical cardboard box. Great packaging. Open this up for you guys quickly. There it is. It says Nike Air Force One. Now this isn't your traditional gray and white Air Force One box. This is a black and silver box. So this is, like a special release or whatever it is. Now, I wasn't the biggest fan of the PSNY Air Force Ones, like the public school New York ones, but they're kind of growing on me, so I might scoop them up soon. But Air Force Ones I just love because I love the comfort they have, the style of the sneaker, the quality. Now, sometimes the Air Force One leather isn't the greatest, same with Jordan 1, but they're getting better. It's a timeless sneaker. It's a timeless classic. You can't ever go wrong with it. Now, you can dress them up. You can dress them down. You can wear it with a bomber jacket. You can wear it with a dress shirt. You can wear it with a t-shirt. You can wear it with a windbreaker. Whatever you want. Endless options. But I went with my true size. Now, I actually lucked out on these. Normally, when I'm trying to get Air Force Ones or Jordan 1s, it's a pain in the ass because I don't know if it's just Nike or it's just me, but of course having a smaller shoe size, sometimes it goes in my favor, sometimes it goes against my favor. Now, I'm a size 9. Finding a size 9 is always a pain in the ass for Air Force Ones and Jordan 1s because they either sell out or they just don't stock them on time. Now, most sizes sold out of these. I was eyeing them for months, even weeks. They originally retailed for $140 Canadian, and they got marked down to, I think it was like 120 afterwards. Then they went down to 100. Then they went down to, I think it was $79.99. The final markdown price, they wouldn't go any lower than this. All sizes sold out, and it finally went in my favor. All sizes were gone except for size 9. And I was like, do it, don't do it. I was like, no, fuck it. I'm going to pull the trigger. I'm going to order these. These were $59.99 Canadian. I was like baffled. I was just like surprised and shocked. And I was like, $59.99 for these Air Forces. Are you for real? I was like, alright, fuck it, let's do it, right? Or place my order. I didn't know these were the last size 9s and the last pair of these left and like on their website in stock. After shipping, I paid only $87 for these. That's not too bad. Air Force Ones are always available year-round. Now, if they're hyped limited releases, then they'll be a bit harder to get. But if they're, available on some websites, they will be easy to get. Now, $87 said and done and everything, not too bad. So they are called Air Force 107 LV8 UV. Now, you might be thinking UV, ultraviolet. Now, if you know which ones I'm talking about, I'm going to show you. I went with my true size, which is a size 9. It says suggested retail price $140 Canadian. The colorway is called Siren Red and White. Now, the box is a little dusty. Let me just clean this off for you guys. But it's just a black and silver Air Force One box. Right? I am amped. Now, I was eyeing these for a long time. I was a bit iffy on, should I get them, should I not? Now I didn't know for the price. It's kind of hard to pass them up and say no. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. They're so nice. Now, I don't care about Valentine's Day at all, but if I were to rock these on Valentine's Day or anytime near Valentine's Day, I'm going to show you guys these right now. Look at that. I'll show you an up-close view of these. Oh my god. It's just all red patent leather upper. Now, I will be doing an on foot of these, and I will be editing it on Adobe Premiere Pro. I was selecting different packages on the website, checking which one is the best bang for your buck. And I went with the top of the line Adobe Premiere Pro, which comes with all the, thumbnails and all the stickers and editing features and all that stuff. So, yeah, it's going to be awesome. I'm getting a camera soon. So, yeah, keep it locked, but it's got an all white bottom. I wish I had a red outsole, and a red air right here with the stripe thing going around the back. But first off, the quality is amazing. I love the quality of this. First ever pair of patent leather Air Force Ones. It's just an all red upper, color matched laces. The badge on the tongue is color matched. Also says Nike Air Force One. Inside it says $59.99 for the price. It says Nike Air. Nice finishing touch on an all black insole. And then it sits up top of all foam white outsole. And you got these stars on the toes and the heel like always. Now, if you didn't know, the Air Force One became really popular and it's been popular ever since. It's because it's a rubber cup outsole with these, round circle, and the grip was amazing. No sneaker matched at that time for this type of performance and everything. And sitting underneath your heel, encapsulated into the full length, full midsole, you know, and the outsole, not visible to the naked eye, is a Nike Air unit and the heel for impact protection. And I'm not going to carry on. Nothing special with this. You got the Nike Air on the heel just as the other one in red. But that's it. That was today's video, guys. Much love. Sorry I've been gone for a long time, but I will be coming back with more content, so keep it locked. Please make sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, it'll notify you every time I upload new content. Smash the thumbs up button on this video and my other videos on my channel once you watch them. Leave a comment in the comment section down below what your thoughts on this video are and my other videos, what your thoughts are or were. And keep supporting, keep subscribing, liking, and commenting. Share this video and my other videos as much as possible. Until later, y'all be easy. Love you guys with all my heart. I'm in. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your peace. Bye.